Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Toadette from Mario. So first let's get started by drawing in the top of the head. So we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Let's draw on the eyes now. So on the left hand side we're going to draw in a nice big oval. And then moving over on the right hand side, lining it up at the same height, we're going to replicate that. In the top left hand corner now we're going to draw in a small circle for the highlight. And then we'll do the same thing on the right eye. Let's move down and draw in the mouth now. So on both sides, we're going to draw in a small curved line, ending that at the same height. On the top, let's close this off with a curved line from left to right. And then on the bottom, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line. For the tongue, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And now let's close off the face. So on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line down and then in towards the middle. And then moving over on the right-hand side, we'll replicate that, curving that down and then back in, blending that together. Moving out now, we're going to curve these lines out towards the side. And now let's draw in a nice big circle. So we're going to bring this in towards the top of the page. So on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then in towards the middle. And then over on the right, we'll replicate that, curving that around and then in towards the top. In the center now, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. On the right hand side, we're going to draw in a curved line from top to bottom. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. Now let's draw on the body. So coming down for the jacket, we're going to curve this line out on both sides. We're going to arch this line out towards the side of the page on both sides. And then from the top, we're just going to curve this line down, connecting that in the corner. Now as we move over towards the inside, we're going to curve this line down. And then from that corner again, we're just going to arch this out towards the side. In the center, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then dropping down, replicating that again. Let's move further down now. We're going to arch this line down towards the bottom of our page, ending that at the same height. And then now from here, we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Let's step up again, replicating that. And then one more time as we move up. Moving down now, we're going to draw in an arch line from left to right. On the inside now, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom for the foot. And then we're going to arch this line out on either side. From the point now, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And now let's draw in our arms and hands. So on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this diagonal line out towards the left. Lining that up at the same height, we'll do the same thing on the right. For the thumb, we're going to bring this line down and then in on both sides. Stepping across again, we're going to curve this line out and then in. And then one more time, we're just going to curve this line out and then in towards our top line. And now let's draw in the rest of her hair as we come down. So from the corner, we're going to curve this line around and then in on both sides. On the inside, we're just going to curve a small line that arches up towards the top. And now stepping further out, we're going to curve this line around and then in. Now let's draw in a nice big circle on the bottom. So we're going to curve this line all the way around and then in towards the side of the body. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left-hand side. Underneath that, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. On the top, on a diagonal, we're going to arch this line down. And then we'll continue the circle as we stretch underneath. And that is it. That's how you draw a toadette. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.